This is how you can download TikTok on your Android phone. So at first, make sure you are on your home screen like this, and from the apps you have, go to the Play Store, which is the place to get a new app. So open up the Play Store on your device like this. Make sure you are signed in. So in at the top right, you can see your account right there, and make sure that you are signed in with your Google account, and then click on a search at the bottom and just type in the word TikTok into the search right there. Now just look it up in here. This is the app, of course, we want to download, and this blue button says install. So we're going to tap on it like this, and then the app is about to be installed on this device. So as you can see, there is the progress bar. So we have 34% of the whole size, so it's like 236 megabytes, not the largest app, not the smallest one either, so it might take a while depending on your internet connection, but we just have to wait for the whole thing to be completed before we can actually start using it. But of course, TikTok is a free app which everyone can get, and once it downloads and installs, you'll be able to use it to browse and watch the videos. And now that the app has finished downloading, it is now installed, so we can click on open right away in here, or go back to the home screen and the app should appear in between our apps in there. So I can click on TikTok like this. And in order to actually start using it, we also need to have an account. So it's going to guide you through the setup, of course, and you kind of have to like set up whether you want to sign in with your Google, your phone number, and email, right? I already get the pop-up that I can just continue with the Google account, which is part of my phone. So I can click on sign in like this. And now it is essentially going to sign me in with Google to the TikTok, and I'll be able to start watching videos right away. So that is essentially how you can install and make that work. You can just choose what you like in a different interest to make sure you get the videos you want, and you just can keep on swiping. So that's essentially how you can install TikTok. Let me know if it worked for you. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.